behind the fence? Johnny, look! An airplane! Yes, I saw that. But where is it coming from? Huh? It's going there! Come, let's follow! Aw, it is gone! Hey, baby! Shh! Listen! Somebody's there! I think they're kids! Hello? Anybody there? No sounds. Who's there? I need to find out. Idea! Baby, you wait here. I'll be back. Johnny, did you see anyone? No, nobody's there. Hey, little squirrel, can you tell us who's playing there? We heard so many sounds. The little squirrel is finding them, finding them, finding them, but he hides inside that big hard bush. What's going on there? Johnny, look! A huge... Huh? Oh no!
Hey, my little ones, what happened?
Mommy, something's huge there! It's so big!
Oh dear, look, it's just a toy dino. Kids are playing with it.
Huh?
We have some new neighbors.
Neighbors?
Let's go meet them one day, okay? Now, come and play inside.